Have you ever wondered why drums sound so loud and powerful? Or how pianos make their sound? Or why guitars can make low-pitched sounds all the way up to high-pitched ones?
You want to do another take?
No, it's fine. The point's across the skin limit.
Well, today, my friend Matt and I are going to show you how sound is made, and maybe even make some beautiful music.
Miss Shelley's Science Show.
Sound is made when objects vibrate. To vibrate means to move back and forth quickly. Matt, how does a guitar make sound?
Well, when I pluck the strings, they vibrate, creating sound. And to stop the sound, I just have to stop the strings.
How intensely an object vibrates affects the volume, or how loud the sound is. If you hit a drum softly, it vibrates less intensely and makes a quieter sound. But if you hit a drum hard, it makes a louder sound. If you look at the screen, you can see the audio waveforms. When the drum is hit hard, you can see the wave peak and get larger. Pitch is how high or low a sound is. The slower an object vibrates, the lower the pitch of the sound. Matt here has a bass guitar that he's going to show us.
So on this bass, the strings are much thicker than a regular guitar, so they vibrate slower, and thus the pitch is lower.
As opposed to the bass guitar, a piano can make a range of pitches. When the thinner strings on a piano vibrate, they move much faster, which makes a higher pitch. Okay, now that we understand how sound is made, let's see how it all comes together. Matt here is going to pull up a song that he's recorded in this studio and show us how vibrations, pitch, and volume all come together to make a song.
So first off, we start with the drums. A drum kit has a bunch of different pitches and volumes. The bass drum is big and can't vibrate that fast, so it has a low, powerful sound. Next, the snare drum is smaller and very tight, so it produces a loud, higher-pitched sound that really cuts through. Then we have the cymbals. They're thin and made of harder material, so when you hit them, they move a lot and make a high-pitched crash. Like you said earlier, the bass guitar has big, thick strings, so they produce a low pitch to fill in the bottom of a mix. And lastly, we have our guitars. They're the most versatile of the three. They can play chords lower on the neck that are a medium pitch, and then play notes high up on the neck that will be a higher pitch that cut through a mix. When they're all put together, everything has its place, and you can hear it all clearly.
Thank you so much, Matt. As you can see, vibrations, pitch, and volume are an important part of what we hear every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Miss Shelley's Science Show.